Today, I'll walk you through how to access all database items in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and link databases in Notion so you can effectively manage your information. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. You should see a plus sign in the sidebar. Click that plus sign to create a new page. This is your blank canvas for organizing your data. Next, click on Add a Page to proceed. This action will take you to a new page where you can start building your database. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Now it's time to rename your page. I'll use Database Dashboard for mine, but feel free to choose a name that suits your needs. This step is crucial as it helps you identify the purpose of this database later on. Think of it like labeling a file folder. Once your page is named, you'll want to create a table. To do this, key in /table in the body of your new page and choose the Table View option. This is where the magic happens, as tables allow you to organize your data efficiently. Now, let's link to an existing data source. Choose the option for Link to Existing Data Source and select the page that you want to add. This step is like connecting the dots between different pieces of information, making it easier to access everything in one place. If you need to add another database, simply key in /table again and select the table view, repeating the same steps as we did earlier. This way, you can expand your database and include more data sources as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed all database items in Notion. Remember, organizing your information can significantly enhance your productivity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below, subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.